It's a beautiful day in Morocco, and we're heading to Berber village, which is at the foot of the Atlas Mountains. And we're here at the Berber village by the mountains, and there's this beautiful river. I mean, I love rivers, I just love the sound of them, they're so therapeutic. And there's loads of goats and horses everywhere. And you can see there's snow-top mountain, Atlas Mountain, right there in the horizon. Love it.
So this is a traditional way to produce argan oil. Argan, it's a tree, you can see it in the picture. It's a savage tree which exists only here in Morocco. That's why argan oil name.
So we're gonna go trekking. It's gonna be awesome, right up in the mountain. Souvenir shops are everywhere. Fridge magnets, anybody? Okay, we're close to the waterfall now. I'll just wait my turn. Okay everyone, that's the waterfall right there. Just a dinky one. Absolutely love this. Just love. Look at this. And yet, yes, look at this dinky little bridge with wooden sticks. Doesn't feel very safe at all. Wow, almost like a valley. Beautiful. Wow, look at that snow in the mountains. To be quite honest, I was quite shocked that there would be snow in Morocco, my goodness. Hello there, horsey. And that's the Berber village in the horizon, and we ended our trip with tagine.
1, 2.
Wow.
That's pretty. That's nice.